Paper sacks are the perfect packaging for powdery dry food products. They offer a high level of product protection and meet the most stringent hygiene requirements. But that's not all. Their complete traceability also ensures consumer safety. For that purpose, the manufacturers mark all processed materials with batch numbers and document the entire production process. The paper sacks can stand safely and stably and can be securely stacked and palletized in a very space-saving way. This optimally protects the food during transport and storage and saves costs and resources. In addition, the sacks allow easy and safe handling. They are hygienic, easy to empty, and can be opened and resealed without difficulty. Last but not least, paper sacks are particularly environmentally friendly. The paper used is made from renewable and naturally degradable raw materials that come from sustainable sources. Thanks to the unique REPA-Sack collection system for industrial paper sacks in Germany, they can also be easily recycled. This has contributed to a functioning circular economy for more than 25 years. No wonder customers are delighted, whether they are fillers, retailers, or end users.
We are highly convinced by paper sacks because paper is a sustainable and renewable raw material. Paper sacks are easy to open, hygienic, and provide good protection for the packaged food. After use, they can be rolled up to save space and also be recycled.
Paper sacks are the ideal packaging for milk powder. The paper sack represents optimal product protection for maximum storage time and flexible handling. Paper sacks and milk powders are a close to perfect connection. When it comes to environmental awareness in particular, the quality of paper sacks convinces us with its sustainability and functionality.
As the owner of a shop selling unpackaged goods, I generally try to convince my customers not to use packaging. But especially when it comes to powdery products, the paper sack is an unbeatable solution in terms of sustainability to pack large quantities. It's hygienic, durable, and can be used several times without difficulty.
We use paper sacks because of their functionality and sustainability. They are also reused by our customers for other purposes and then recycled. And if they don't end up in recycling, they don't pollute our ecosystems because they're completely compostable.